Hey you guys, it's Shelly, and I wanted to take a look at this foot pedal that is made for the ANDELI 2-pin welding machine. My dad has been doing a lot of TIG welding lately with the ANDELI machine, and it does come with the thumb trigger for the TIG torch, but he wanted to try out a foot pedal because a lot of times he gets into like smaller projects and he's having to twist his arm differently, so using that thumb trigger is a little bit different or a little bit difficult. So it is a 2-pin foot pedal, so make sure it will work with the welder that you want to attach it to. But here is the TIG torch that it comes with. Like I said, it has that little like thumb trigger or finger trigger right there. And he wanted to opt for the foot pedal. So Andeli was nice enough to send it over to us so we could take a look at it for you guys. So thanks to them for partnering with us. But it was very easy to put into the port on the Andeli machine. You literally just screw it on there and then it's ready to go once you have the machine turned on, the gas turned on, and all that good stuff. But really, the foot pedal has made a big difference. You literally just tap it with your foot and go. It's way easier to control, especially for the detailed stuff, like I said. Plus, it's got that anti-slip texture, so his foot's not sliding around while he's trying to work. It definitely makes welding feel smoother and less awkward, he said, so he absolutely loves it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.